Hello friends and welcome to the channel Homeopathy World. Today's video is about gametogenesis and spermatogenesis. So let us discuss in detail what is gametogenesis and spermatogenesis. This video is a part of gynecology series by Dr. Samina. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notification on our latest updates. So let's start with the video. To begin with, we have to know the term gametogenesis. So, gametogenesis is the process of gamete formation where daughter cell or gametes are produced at the end of meiosis II, resulting in the production of sperm and egg. So, to know in detail about gametogenesis, we have to go through some important terms. The terms are gamete, that is egg or sperm. Gametogenesis is production of egg or sperm. Oogenesis is production of eggs. Spermatogenesis is production of sperms. Spermiogenesis is differentiation of sperm morphology, and zygote is fertilized egg. Key terms: diploid, having full number of chromosome, that is 46 in humans, and haploid, having half number of chromosome, that is 23 in humans. What is a karyotype? A karyotype is pictorial representation of a person's chromosome. As shown in this picture is a representation of karyotype of a person. The X and Y chromosomes are known as the sex chromosomes. They determine a person's gender. XX is female while XY is male. It is the father who determines the baby's gender, as he can produce sperm carrying the X chromosome or sperm carrying the Y chromosome. Having an extra chromosome is bad. Having too many or too few chromosomes is a bad thing. Down syndrome is caused by having an extra chromosome 21. Klinefelter syndrome occurs when an individual receives two X chromosome and a Y chromosome. The result is an infertile male with varying degrees of femininity. Similarly, missing chromosome is bad too. Turner syndrome occurs when the individual only gets one sex chromosome and X from their mother. Second chromosome X or Y from the father is missing. The result is an infertile female with broad chest, poor breast development, low set of ears, short stature, and poor hearing, amongst other things. As shown in the picture, the karyotype in female with Turner syndrome, that is 45X. There are two types of gamete formation, but in this video we are going to study spermatogenesis. If you want to study oogenesis, you can click on the right upper corner of the video to go to the video of oogenesis. Spermatogenesis is a process of male gamete formation, while oogenesis is a process of female gamete formation. Now let us see the process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis begins with diploid germ cell called spermatogonia that grow and develop into a primary spermatocyte. So as you can see in the picture, the primary germ cell spermatogonia is 46XY, and then it develops into the primary spermatocyte, which is again 46XY. That is a diploid number of cell. During meiosis I, one spermatogonium divides into two cells called secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis II to form spermatids, which develop into the sperm. After the primary spermatocyte is produced, there is the first division occurs, that is called meiosis I, and one spermatogonium divides into two cells called secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes undergo meiosis II to form spermatids, which develop into sperms. Now as you can see in the picture, the secondary spermatocyte go through second meiotic division, which divide into 23X and 23Y. In the end, from one parent spermatogonium, 4 sperm cells are produced. As you can see in the picture, 23x, 23x, 23y, 23y sperms that are haploid in number are produced. In the end, from one parent spermatogonium, 4 sperm cells or sperms are produced. Here, as you can see, the primary spermatogonium produces one daughter cell that is haploid in number, and grows into the primary spermatocyte in meiosis 1. It is divided into two haploid number of cells, and that haploid number of cell is go further and produce 4 sperms which are haploid in number, called as spermatozoa. The spermatogenesis occurs inside testis. Within testis, spermatogenesis occurs in the wall of seminiferous tubules. Mature sperm are released in the lumen of seminiferous tubules. Spermatogonia and primary spermatocytes are 2N, that is diploid, while secondary spermatocyte and spermatids and sperms are 1N, that is haploid. This was all about gametogenesis and spermatogenesis. And to watch our videos on gynecology, please check out our playlist by clicking on it now. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notification on our latest updates. Thank you for watching our video.